Generac 2000 starts up but overload light is on and ready light keeps flashing on and off. Is it broken?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Generac lighting? How old is it?
It's 2 years old and I've ran it once a month for about 20 to 30 minutes just to keep it from just sitting there.
How long has this been going on with your Generac lighting? What have you tried so far?
I just turned it on now and it started right up. As I turned the electronic I had plugged in, it started to show overload.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. Does the overload light stay on at all times the unit is running, or only when you have something plugged into it?
At all times. It's the ready button that flashes.
If the overload light is staying on even when there is nothing plugged into the unit, the inverter is bad and will need to be replaced.
Is that expensive? I've never ran the generator on something. I've used it for 20 to 30 a month just to keep it maintained. On a hairdryer.
I can look up the price of an inverter if you will give me the serial number of the genset.
Okay, stand by. Customer attachment May 10, 2020 12:43 and 5 seconds AM.
For some reason the parts breakdown is not coming up in my dealer access. Give me a few minutes to try something else.
Okay.
The part number is and it will run you between $700, $750.
Wow. That's more than the generator itself. Can an electrician fix it without replacing the part?
No, there is no repair or bypass for an inverter. It can only be replaced. This is the exact reason I push people not to get inverter-type units, unless they are an absolute necessity. Sorry for the bad news, but I can't control their pricing.
What's the alternative to an inverter generator? This one was a gift, so the next KEO buy won't be an inverter type.
Just a standard open frame generator.
Copy. So trash this one then, and number 55358 semicolon and number 56631 semicolon and number 55356 semicolon and number 57339, mail sign. Thank you.
That's pretty much it. I won't even take them for parts. The carb and the inverter are the only thing that ever go wrong with them. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance. Remember that a rating is for my performance, not for any site issues, or the fact that it was bad news. It is for my performance only.
Absolutely. Thanks. I started the generator today and it's working perfectly fine. I stopped it and ran it again with an appliance plugged in and it started it right up with no sign of overload light on. Did I do something wrong the first time?
Short of trying to stat it with something plugged into it, always start it and let it run for at least 30 seconds to stabilize before plugging anything in. There is nothing you could have done wrong.
Thanks.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.